Let us look at exercise 1.3, the first one. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So that is, we have to tell whether the decimal expansion is of the form terminating or non-terminating. Let us look at each one. First one. So I'll calculate here. If I take 36 and divide it by 100, so first zeros are 0, 36, and I bring 1 0 down. So threes are, we get 300, we get, if we minus, we have 60. I'll bring another 0 down. So 6 are 600 minus 0. So we have the answer, that is 36 by 100 is equal to 0.36. Since it stopped here, it is of the form terminating. Next one, we are dividing 1 by 11. So first zeros are 0 minus 1. I'll bring 1 0 down, 0.0, and again 0 minus 10. I'll bring another 0 down, so it becomes 100. Now 9 11s are 99. Subtracting, we get 1. I'll bring another 0 down, again 0, because 11 it doesn't go, so 0 minus, I'll bring another 0 down, 100. 9s are, we get 99. Subtract, we get 1. So we can see that it is repeating. So we have 1 divided by 11 is equal to 0.09 bar. Now this is of the form non-terminating repeating. The next one, we can see it is 4 1 by 3, making it a proper fraction. We get 4 8s are 32 plus 1 33 by 8. Okay, so 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33 divided by 8. This is the proper fraction. Now let's see, divide 33 by 8. So 8 4s are 32, that is, I'm bringing 1 0 down here, 4.1, that is 8 1s are 8. Subtracting, we get 2, bring another 0 down, 2s are 16. Subtract, we get 4, bring another 0 down, 5s are 40, and hence it's terminated. So we have 4 1 by 8 is equal to 4.125. So hence it is of the form terminating. Let's see the next one, that is 3 by 13. So divide 3 by 13. So first zeros are 0. Subtract, we get 3, bring 1 0 down, point. So we go for 13, 2s are, that would be 26. So 2s are 26. 4, bring another 0 down, 40. So 13 3s are 39. 1, if we subtract, bring another 0 down. 13 zeros are 0. So if we subtract, we get 10 again. 100, we can go with 6. So 78, subtract 2 and 1, bring another 0 down. So 120, I can go with the 9s are sorry, yeah, 9s are 1173. I'll bring another 0 down, 0, and okay, we got 30 again. So next it would start again with 2. So we have 26, 4, we bring another 0 down. So it would repeat. So 3 by 13 is equal to 0.23069 bar here. Okay, so it is of the form non-terminating repeating. Next, let's see the fifth one, 2 by 11. So we have 2 to be divided by 11, zeros are 0, subtract 2, bring a 0 down, 1s are 11, subtract, you get 9, bring another 0 down, 8s are 88, 2, bring another 0 down. I think it is repeating again, so 20 you go with 1, 11 again it would be 9, again it will repeat. So it is 2 by 11 is equal to 0.18 bar. So this is again non-terminating repeating. And the last one, 329 by 400. 329 by 400. Zeros are 0, subtract, you get 329, bring a 0 down. So 8s are 8 3s are 32, 0 0. So subtract, you get 90, bring another 0 down. 900, 2s are 800 here, bring another 0 down. Okay, so we have 2s are again, so it is 800, subtract, you get 200, bring another 0 down. So 5s are, we have 4s are 20 and 0 0. So if we subtract, it is 0. So we have 329 by 400 is equal to 0.8225. So this is of the form terminating. So this is how we calculate the decimal expansions and judge whether they are terminating or non-terminating, repeating. Let's look at the second question. So you know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 and it goes on repeating again, 142857. So that's why we have put a bar here. Can you predict what the decimal expansions of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? Study the remainders while finding the value of 1 by 7 carefully. So we have found the value, this is the hint that is given. So the value of 1 by 7 is so much. We have to find what is 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 without actually dividing it. So let's see how to solve this. So we have 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. All you have to do is 2 by 7 would be 2 into 1 by 7, correct? So that is nothing but 2 into 0.142857 bar. So I will calculate what is into 2 here, that is 0.142857 into 2. 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are 10, 11, 8 2s are 16, 17, 2 2s are 4, 5, 4 2s are 8, 2.0. So this I get the answer as 0.285714 bar. This will be the answer. Similarly, 3 by 7 is equal to 3 into 1 by 7. So 3 into 0.142857 bar is equal to 0.142857 into 3. 7 3s are 21, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 8 3s are 24, 25, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 4 3s are 12, 3, 4. So it is 0.428571. Next, 4 by 7 is equal to 4 into 1 by 7. 0.142857 into 4. So 7 4s are 28, 4 5s are 20, so 22, 8 4s are 32, 34, 4 2s are 8, 11, 4 4s are 16, 17, 4, 5. So it is 4 into 0.142857 bar is equal to 0.571428 bar. There is a bar here also. Next, 5 by 7 is equal to 5 into 1 by 7. 5 into 0.142857 bar is equal to, so 0.142857, 5, I get 7 5s are 35, 5 5s are 25, 28, 8 5s are 42, 10, 14, 21, 5, 7. So it is 0.714285. Okay, and 6 by 7, the last one, 6 into 1 by 7. So 6 into 0.142857 bar, 0.142857 into 6. So 7 6 are 42, 6 5 34 here, 8 6 are 48, 48, 49, 50, 51, 12, 17, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8. So here we have 0.857142 bar. So this is the answer. So we have done the multiplications here. This is how we solve it.